Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to lock your Nintendo Switch 2 with a PIN code. To do it, go to the settings, then scroll all the way down to System. Now you can scroll down until you find... it's in here, in System Lock. Enable that. Then click on OK. Now you can set up the PIN. And when you hold on the plus button, you'll switch to keyboard input, but then it's visible where you click. So if you prefer this option, which makes it invisible for other people, where do you click, you can simply use either of the control stick and I believe either of the button sets to enter the numbers. I'm gonna enter 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's just move either of the control sticks up, then here to the top right side, to the right, and to the bottom right side. Now 1, 2, 3, 4 is entered. Once I click on OK, let's re-enter it. Okay, I did it incorrectly. You'll probably get used to it after some time. Now the lock is on, so if I lock the screen, if I want to unlock it, I'll need to click on A, press on the same button 3 times, then enter the system lock PIN, and it's unlocked. And I hope the video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.